Hello students, today we have seen class 7th English 3.2 number chapter The Welcome. All questions and answers. Question number 1. List the characters in this play. Write how each is related to Chaturbhuj. Answer is characters and relation with Chaturbhuj. First, Nil Ratan, relation a villager. Second, Zamindar, relation with Chaturbhuj is la landowner of his village. Third, Satu is Chaturbhuj's uncle, and four, maid, a maid servant of his family. Fifth, mother, Chaturbhuj's mother. Six, little boy, Chaturbhuj's younger brother. Seven, aunt, Chaturbhuj's aunt. Eight, little girl, Chaturbhuj's younger sister. Nine, Hari, Chaturbhuj's uncle. 10. Sadhucharan, a villager. 11. Paran, a villager. Question number 2. Find and list the incomplete sentences of Chaturbhuj. Answer is first, directly after the MA exams were over. I. Second, this year the exams were very. Third, the subjects I'd offer. Four, there were so many examinations. Question number 3. Form groups. Discuss and write what Chaturbhuj would like to hear from the following people. Chaturbhuj, I have passed my MA examination. Nil Ratan, wow, great news. Uncle Satu, well done my boy. Aunt, very nice, God bless you. Paran, many congratulations. Zamindar, good, you made the whole village proud. Mother, I knew it, one day you will make us proud. Sadhucharan, oh, congratulations. Question number 4. Enact the play. Answer, student do it yourself. Question number 5. Form pairs. Each person in the pair writes down a simple story, news item, report, etc. Then one of the partners tries to tell it to the other person. The other person shows through gestures that he is not interested by yawning, looking away, frowning, doing something else, etc. Repeat the activity after changing the roles of the listener and the speaker. Then prepare two tables: how to be a good listener, how not to be a good listener. Answer, how to be a good listener. First, look at the speaker. Second, pay close attention to the speaker. Third, try to guess the meaning of some new unfamiliar words. 4. Keep on listening if you don't understand the speaker. Fifth, keep on listening even if you don't agree with the speaker. Second, how not to be a good listener. First, look somewhere else when the speaker is speaking. Second, distract the speaker. Third, start yawning. Fourth, start clapping and laughing without any reason. Fifth, look away through the window. Six, talk to your friends. Seven, try to disturb the speaker with strange funny gestures. Question number 6. Play the game and write questions. Wrong answer. Form pairs. One person puts any one question to the other. The other person has to give a wrong answer quickly. He or she is out. If he or she gives the relevant correct answer or waits too long to give an answer. Example answer. First, how much water do you need? Second, near SP College. A. Where's SP College? B. At 2 o'clock. A. Who was there? B. I don't know. A. Out. Answer A. What do you eat? B. 3 books. Which books? B. On the tree. A. Can you climb trees? B. Of course. A. Out. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.